Tired of AI cluttering your text with long M dashes? Let's create a quick Mac automation to clean them up instantly. Open the Shortcuts app on macOS and create a new quick action. First, add the Get Clipboard action from the sidebar. Next, add Replace Text. Paste an M dash into the target field, and replace it with a standard hyphen or space. Now, add Copy to Clipboard using the updated text, then finish it off with Stop and Output. In the right panel, check Use as Quick Action and Services menu. You can also assign a custom keyboard shortcut here if you like. Now, copy any AI text, right-click, and select your new quick action. Boom! Clean text with no M dashes. Like and subscribe for more Mac hacks.